Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the watch already magnified. Act now. First, use a 2-finger double tap on the screen to toggle zoom. This usually returns the view to normal. Once done, test simple swipes and taps to confirm control. If the double tap does not work, keep your iPhone close because the watch app will let you change accessibility settings without relying on the zoomed screen. This avoids accidental inputs while we proceed to disable zoom permanently. Now permanently disable the feature that caused the problem. On the watch, open Settings, scroll to Accessibility, then select Zoom and toggle it off. This prevents future accidental magnification. If the watch screen is still hard to control, open the watch app on your paired iPhone, tap My Watch, choose Accessibility, then Zoom, and switch it off there. Once disabled, make sure Zoom Controller and Zoom Region settings are set to defaults. Finish by restarting the watch so the settings settle. Press and hold the side button, slide to power off, then restart and verify the screen remains normal. If the watch is frozen or still stuck zoomed, perform a force restart by holding the digital crown and side button together for about 10 seconds until the Apple logo appears. If none of this works, unpair and repair the watch with your iPhone as a last resort. This restores defaults while preserving your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.